Today I'll be talking about our latest research on the UK market for gas engines. So what is our outlook for gas engine sales in the UK out to 2020? Well, since 2009, the UK gas engine market has improved steadily. And we expect this growth to continue out to 2020, driven by two key drivers: improving spark spreads and a supportive policy framework for biogas installations. Now overall, our expectation is a growth rate of about 3% out to 2017 and of 8% beyond that to 2020. Now there are also other secondary drivers. So for example, a gradual recovery from the economic downturn is likely to improve investor confidence. Also, there is a stronger, though still modest, emergence of district heating expected nearer to 2020. Now, in terms of market shares for different fuel types, we see the market will remain in favor of natural gas systems. Now, this is again due to continuing healthy and in fact improving spark spreads. See, there's likely to be upward pressure on electricity prices going forward, driven in large part by the closure of old fossil power plants and by the sharp increased uptake of intermittent, inflexible, renewable generating capacity. And with the introduction of the electricity market reform and other mechanisms, this will put a further burden on electricity prices in the form of non-commodity costs. Overall, though, the other major trend is that we expect strongest growth among the smaller sized gas engines, so primarily those under 2 megawatt in capacity. And what is triggering the shift towards smaller systems? Well, firstly, improving spark spreads will bring commercial viability for the first time to these small systems, which were previously prohibitively expensive. Secondly, system specifiers are also turning to small-scale gas engine CHP solutions in order to meet new build energy efficiency targets within commercial and public buildings. Thirdly, new policies like the feed-in tariff and export tariff, introduced in 2010 to incentivize small renewables-based electricity generation, have also improved conditions for small-scale biogas-driven engines. And finally, an emerging market preference for more flexible generation capability, enabled by using a multi-unit, modular approach, is likely to become more pronounced in the future. So wrapping up, by 2020 we expect to see a doubling of today's annual installed capacity for small-scale gas engines.